Samsung has officially unveiled its Galaxy S25 line at Galaxy Unpacked in San Jose. Outwardly, very little has changed across the three phones other than a softer look for the Galaxy S25 Ultra. Most of the updates are on the inside and empower these handsets to offer more meaningful AI tools to help make everyday experiences better. Samsung has fully adopted Google Gemini and put Bixby on the bench. Further, new cross-app functionality lets you turn simple voice requests into multi-app actions. The new models have new colors. The S25 and S25 Plus are available at retail in icy blue, mint, navy, or silver shadow. If you want blue-black, coral red, or pink gold, you'll have to order from Samsung directly. The S25 Ultra comes in titanium black, titanium gray, titanium silver blue, or titanium white silver. All the phones have matte finishes. Only the Ultra model receives any upgrades to its camera hardware. It still features a 200-megapixel 1.7 main camera with optical image stabilization, a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom, and a second 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom. It now has a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, up from the 12-megapixel camera of the S24 Ultra that supports a high-resolution macro mode. The Ultra is capable of 100x space zoom, which combines optical zoom and digital cropping. Samsung says it has improved night photography and videography using a spatial temporal filter that can search for noise at the individual pixel level of every frame. STF should yield sharper pictures with less noise, even in dark environments. The Gallery app is also smarter. It can now automatically suggest removing multiple background items from your photos, like a group of people and their shadows. The Galaxy S25 line runs Android 15 with the brand new One UI 7 atop it. Like the S24, the S25 phones will receive 7 generations of OS upgrades and 7 years of security updates, matching Google's 7-year commitment to its Pixel phones. Google Gemini is now the default assistant across the Galaxy S25 line. Long pressing the side button invokes it, though you can configure the button to call up Bixby or the power menu. Samsung says the S25 will personalize its AI by creating your own personal LLM, which will be locked down by its security system, Knox. As your phone learns about you and the way you use it, Gemini will recommend routines and other actions. Samsung adds an audio eraser function to the Gallery app that can assist with your videos. This tool analyzes a video and separates out the types of audio noise, wind, crowd, animals, traffic, so you can choose what is heard and what should be lowered. Audio eraser works entirely on the device, doesn't need a network connection. Pricing for the Galaxy S25 family remains the same as it was for the Galaxy S24 line. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.